What does the recent drone attack mean for the ongoing Ukraine war? This surprising event could reshape battlefield tactics and signal a new phase in the conflict you need to understand. The recent drone attack highlights how unmanned aerial vehicles have transformed the Ukraine war. Unlike traditional artillery, drones can strike with surgical precision while minimizing risk to soldiers. This technology allows forces to gather intelligence and launch attacks from a safe distance. It also introduces new challenges in defense, as detecting and neutralizing drones requires advanced countermeasures. This shift represents a broader trend toward high-tech warfare, making the battlefield more unpredictable and dynamic. With drones becoming key players, both Ukraine and opposing forces must adapt. This means investing heavily in air defense systems capable of detecting low-flying drones. Cybersecurity also becomes critical, as drones rely on digital controls vulnerable to hacking or jamming. The attack reveals how future battles will revolve around controlling the skies and electronic warfare. It also influences morale, as drone strikes can cause psychological stress by striking unexpectedly and remotely, shaking confidence on the ground. This recent drone attack could signify the beginning of a new phase in the Ukraine war. The battlefield is no longer just land and artillery, but also digital and aerial domains. As both sides integrate drone technology, future clashes will be faster, more precise, and more complex. This evolution could accelerate the war's intensity while forcing international observers to rethink conflict resolution strategies in modern warfare. The recent drone attack in Ukraine is more than a single event. It represents a shift in warfare strategy and technology. As drones redefine how battles are fought, understanding these changes helps you grasp the future of conflict. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead in a rapidly changing world.